How's everybody doing today? This is Austin Weaver at Get Fit Training Systems here in Palm Desert, California. Right now, I want to demonstrate to you how to use an ab roller. So check this out. So, your knees are at the edge of the mat. And so you're right here. Your feet are down. You want to come out as far as you can go, and then you want to come back up. So, all the way out, and then you want to come back up. And so, you're just basically stretching out your upper part of your abdominals. So, simple as that. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube video, and please watch my other workout videos here on YouTube as well. That would be awesome. And also, if you're trying to do a new exercise and if you need some more demonstration, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so. Have a great day.